Energy is essential to human progress, and we rely on it to maintain and improve our quality of life. And so it's essential to make a choice that's responsible to the environment and responsible to the community. And it's just an easy choice. It's not that expensive. If you just give up a few cups of coffee or a few soda pops each month, you can purchase Green Power and make a difference in your community. We're Green Power heroes because we chose to take that step and purchase the blocks of Green Power to further support renewable energy in our community and in our state. Purchasing Green Power supports our economy, it creates jobs, it's sustainable, and that's just an easy choice to make.